Oh, what do you want to say to Grandma? This is a video. Come on.
Happy birthday, Grandma. You know, if you reached 100, I hope you still remember me. And I have a memo for you. The older you get, the smellier your fart gets. Ha! Beat that. You don't have anything
What kind
but
of
a
birthday
fart.
greeting is that? That's not a happy birthday greeting.
But still, it's a nice greeting.
Okay, how about you, Hannah?
Smelly.
Hannah, how about you? What is your message to Grandma? What do you want to say to Grandma? Huh? Say, happy birthday, Grandma. How about si Selena?
Daddy!
How about si Selena? You say, what's that, Selena? That's your gift to Grandma.
Grandma and
You say, Grandma. You look at the camera. Ate, happy birthday, Grandma.
I want a book.
Hey, come on. Happy birthday, Grandma. Hey.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Okay, come on. Line up na. Come on. Now, it's your time to line up already.
Daddy, look